the truth.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and this week we have this holiday called Purim in Israel. And if you don't know, it's a holiday that is basically like Halloween but Jewish. Like, the basic theme of this holiday is just kids wearing costumes and getting a lot of candy, but instead of candy corn, you have those traditional triangular cookies that are called almond ears, and yeah, it's a lot of fun. Because of the holiday and because I colored my hair purple the other day, I decided to do something very colorful on my eyes, and we're gonna try and do that today.
Sorry, my mirror just fell.
We're gonna try and do that today with those two palettes. This is the Take Me to Brazil by BH Cosmetics, and it's so reflecting that you barely can see it. And this is the Blacklight highlight palette, again by BH Cosmetics, and we're gonna try and do something with those. And as you can see, I already have my foundation and my brows on. Foundation and eyebrows is a very individual thing, and you are here for the eye makeup, right? Right, let's begin. So I'm gonna start by putting a little bit of a eyeshadow primer, and I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance primer. Use a tiny bit. This primer is gonna make our shadow pop a lot more and last longer. So first I'm gonna take the lightest pink color in the palette, and I'm gonna use it as my transition shade. And you know what? Now as I think about it, I want to put a little piece of tape here, so we will have this crisp line after we take it off, so we won't make too much of a mess.
Oh my god. Tell me, what do you do when you can't find the edge of the tape? I just can't find it. And before you put it, you should take off the glue a little bit so it won't pull your eyes. Well, I guess it's pretty much the same. Oh, this is so uncomfortable.
Let's start with this orange color in the inner half of my eye.
This is so pigmented.
And I'm going back to this light pink color and blending the orange one out a little bit. I'm taking this e.l.f. blending brush, but it's a little bit more packed and a little bit more dome-shaped than the other one that I used before. And I want to say this one, this color, yeah, this color.
Ooh, this one is so pretty.
The same brush that I used before, and I'm gonna blend it. I like it so far. So now I'm taking the same brush from e.l.f. that I used before, and I'm taking even a darker purple color, and I'm concentrating it on the outer corner to make it even darker. Now I'm gonna take this bright neon pink color with the specking brush. It's pretty big. This one is from e.l.f. also, and I'm gonna pack this color in the middle, in between the purples and the orange, to blend them out and to give this pop of color in between.
Whew. I hope it will go the same way on my eye. Well, this color, oh my goodness.
And again, blending it out a little bit. Since our orange got a little bit lost, I'm gonna add a little bit more. And it's gonna blend our shadows even more together. So now I think we're done with the tape and we're gonna take it off, and I'm praying, although I don't believe in God, but I'm praying so it won't ruin anything. Oh, nice. And nice, okay.
I actually tried this method like a couple of times, but it was so long ago when it was just starting. It was a trend a couple of years ago, if you don't know this.
So now we're gonna do the lower lash line, and let's start with the same purple that I have on my upper lid. And so I'm gonna take this small blending brush and I'm gonna dip into this one on my outer corner and this one. I'm gonna connect them. I don't know why, but I want to go with this color.
That's a lot of color.
I want to take the same fluffy brush and the first color that we used, just a little bit, just a tiny bit on the tip, and I want to blend the lower lash line with this color. To smoke the colors out. So I'm taking this little eye crease brush. Okay, it's a little smudging brush, I would say. Let's see. Let's take this bright yellow color and put it in the inner corner. So we have here Electra and Laser that I guess I'm gonna mix because this one has more of a yellow white shade and this one a little bit of green, so I'm just gonna and put them in the inner corner. And we can take Electra to highlight my brow bone a little bit.
Just a little bit. Whoa, this is too big. Oh my god, this is too much. Oh goodness. A little bit too much.
Since I have this palette in my hands, I'm gonna use the same shade Electra to highlight my face, my lips a little bit.
Oh my god. This is too much.
It's a little bit too much for the everyday, but if you're going to a costume party or something like this and you don't know what to wear and you just want to wear some crazy makeup, wear something colorful on your face, I think it's cool. We're gonna put a bit of blush now and we'll see how it goes. I hope it blends out a little bit. I'm gonna be using this Essence Satin Touch Blush in the shade 20, Satin Love. Pretty neutral shade because we have so much going on our eyes. I don't want to overpower with the blush. With this kind of look, we have to go in with some eyeliner. I think it has to be done. And I'm gonna go with L'Oreal gel eyeliner in pure black. I still have the old one with the gold cap. I didn't finish it up because I have a lot of gel eyeliners. I'm a little bit obsessed about eyeliners. I decided that I want to put a little bit of the eyeliner on my lower lash line in between the lashes and just smoke it out with the darker purple color that I have in this Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So I think with this kind of look, you always want to go with the nude palette of your lipstick, and you could go with a gloss. Let's go with this kind of nude, and this is the Aerie Studio Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Naked. Okay, this says Naked, but it has this tan shade and I want to mute it down a little bit. I'm gonna go with this kind of pinky nude, Nude Love lipstick from Essence, and let's see. Oh my god, I forgot about mascara. I'm gonna use my favorite, the Volume Stylist Curl and Hold Mascara.
Let's see, grab it off. The mascara is on, and look at my hand. Look at my hand. What's going on?
The makeup actually is done, but I think one thing is missing, and I thought about, what if you don't want to go nude with your lipstick? So let's try something else. So instead of the nude, I thought about going with something metal and even green, and this one is both. And this is the Aerie Studios.
Why do I see studios all the time? It's studio. Aerie Studio. Sorry about that.
And this is the Wonder Metal Liquid Lipstick. And it's the shade Solo. This is such a beautiful shade. You'll see it in a second. So this is another version of this eye makeup. It looks a little bit strange, I know.
Oh god, I love this lipstick.
Okay guys, so yeah, this is it. This is the finished look. If you liked it, please give me a like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And don't forget that notification bell so we will see each other in the next one. I hope you're having a great day, and if you're celebrating Purim, happy Purim. Bye. The truth.